Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete DNS data in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome and type this exact URL. After typing, just hit enter and you'll be directed to this website. From here, click on Clear Host Cache to remove all the cached DNS records. This helps resolve issue where Chrome is loading outdated or incorrect website addresses. After clearing the cache, you can also restart the Chrome to ensure all the DNS changes take effect. We just cleared Chrome DNS cache through a link to remove stored DNS record and fixed whole site loading problems. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.